If you use Claude Code, you have probably felt like it's wasting tokens. Your context fills up too fast, and you're wondering if you're doing something wrong. Claude Code's creator, Boris Cherny, uses plan mode completely different than you would expect. He recommends starting in plan mode. Let Claude explore and create a plan. Iterate on that plan until it looks right. Then implement fresh with a clear context. That's it. Plan, clear, implement. Now, even with this workflow, you'll hit some friction. Tokens churn fast, context fills up, auto-compact kicks in before you're ready. Here's why his advice is counterintuitive. After planning, clear your context. Don't compact. That sounds wrong. You just spent all this time planning. Why throw that away? Think about what happens during planning. Claude searches your codebase, tries different approaches, hits dead ends. All of that stays in the context. And when you start implementing, Claude is still thinking about those dead ends. That's why you get weird mistakes. Clearing gives you a fresh context window for actual coding. And here's what most people miss. When you accept a plan, Claude saves it to a file and reads it automatically in the fresh session. You don't lose the plan, but you do lose all the exploration noise that was confusing implementation. Fresh context means Claude isn't tripping over its own planning artifacts. And the thing everyone complains about, the exploration before planning. A lot of people think plan mode wastes tokens. Claude sending out searches, reading files, exploring the code base, and it hasn't even started planning yet. Feels wasteful, right? It's not a waste, it's a design. And I agree. This exploration is what produces better plans. Users who interrupt it or shortcut the process get worse plans. The exploration is the value. So let Claude explore, don't interrupt it, trust the process. You don't need a complex setup or a massive claude.md with thousands of lines. Just this simple workflow. Plan, clear, implement. Next session, try it. And let me know in the comments if it changes anything for you.